Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hot glue gun for woodworking that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Gorilla Hot Glue Gun. The Gorilla Dual Temp Mini Hot Glue Gun is a #1 bestseller on Amazon, ideal for crafts and repairs. It has a comfortable grip, is lightweight, and comes with a built-in stand to avoid any mess when you set it down in between uses. This gun uses mini-sized glue sticks, 0.27 inches in diameter, and has a dual temperature setting that can be switched depending on what type of material you are working on. One of over 17,000 reviewers commented, "I use it on hot setting for woodworking jigs, etc., and it is amazing. It creates a pretty much permanent hold. Blown away by quality." Moving on at number 4, we have the Eneon Industrial Hot Glue Gun. For professionals looking for a woodworking glue gun, this Eneon 300W industrial model should fit the bill nicely. Switching between 150 to 300W for higher output jobs, this gun is powerful enough for carpentry, DIY, and home repairs whether you are working on wood, metal, plastic, leather, or pretty much any other material. It heats up in 3 to 10 minutes and has several safety systems such as smart temperature control, which keeps the unit at a constant reliable temperature, and an internal safety backup fuse in case of overheating. One satisfied customer wrote, "This is a very good glue gun if you need to melt the higher temperature industrial adhesive sticks. Most glue guns don't get hot enough. It is the best industrial grade gun I've found in this price range." At number 3, we have the Noy Master Cordless Hot Glue Gun. For flexibility and convenience for lighter duty woodworking and crafts, the Noy Master Cordless Hot Glue Gun is a great choice. It's chargeable via a micro USB cable, included, so you can take this portable tool with you on the go, and it has an operating time of around 45 minutes, heating up in just 3. This gun also features a drip-resistant precision nozzle for extra safety. One happy shopper commented, "Absolutely love the way this operates cordless. This gives you the flexibility to move around and not be hung up in wires. The charge lasted longer than I needed and delivered as good as plugged-in guns." At number 2, we have the Boswell Hot Glue Gun. Delivering a whopping 150W of heating power, the full-size Boswell Hot Glue Gun takes between 1 to 3 minutes to heat up and has a built-in temperature dial that can adjust from 284 degrees Fahrenheit to 428 degrees Fahrenheit according to your needs. It comes with 6 interchangeable pure copper nozzles, and it is lightweight, safe, and easy to use. One satisfied customer bought this for their dad who does furniture repair, restoration, and upholstery. He cannot stop absolutely raving about this glue gun kit, they wrote. He says the needlepoint attachments allow for such precision gluing along welt cord that he never has to worry about making a mess anymore. And finally at number 1, we have the DeWalt Hot Glue Gun. Thanks to its efficient ceramic heating element, the DeWalt DWHTGR50 Rapid Heat Ceramic Glue Gun is ready for action faster than your typical glue gun, and its heat-resistant silicone tip guard means there is less chance of burns too. Other handy features include its fold-out stand and grip rubber base, and the company also provides a lifetime warranty. One very pleased customer who was specifically looking for a ceramic glue gun commented, "I was not disappointed by this product, despite being so cheap. I love everything about it. It doesn't drip and heats up quick." Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.